So, I made a video how to make a fuse, but it didn't, my phone turned off right in the middle of it. Didn't save my crap. So now I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna make borax, sorry, no borax. No, I'm kidding, I'm gonna use borax. So, what you need to do, grab some glue. Boom! Boom! I'm mixing it. Boom! Then you gotta grab a cup. Oh, there you are. Now you gotta grab some water. Warm water, remember that. Okay, I got some more water. Now I need some borax. I grabbed some borax. Now I don't know. It's just an estimated amount. I need to stir it up. God. Mix it up. Mix it up. I don't know if that's going to be my thumbnail, but who cares? Mix it the heck up. Now I gotta grab a plate. Where did my shaving cream go? Wait a second, I gotta go get my shaving cream. Okay, screw it. I don't need no shaving cream. I can't find it. I'll go get my plate. We're gonna make regulars. I'm so sorry. First, what you need a plate. It's your boy. Sorry. Grab some glue. All of you guys know how to make this. Yeah. No, that would just be better. The lid it broke off. Oh my god, I added a lot. It's so much. It's so much. Well, it's not that bad much, but it's more than I was it's more than I was expecting to make. Definitely. So now you pour a little bit, and I say a little bit, I mean a little bit. It'll ruin your slime. It's raining outside, it's thundering. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I have my door open because I'm stupid. Okay, now just mix it all up. Look at that. It's turning into slime. Whoa. I think I put way too much borax in, or way too less. Let's add some more. Work, my slime child. It's not working. Let's add some more. Here we go. Here it is. It's turning into slime. It was way too less borax is what I did. It will never release. I'm a weirdo sometimes. You guys probably know from how cringy my videos are. I just want to make content. I don't want to make cringiness. I just want to make content. Sounds like something someone weird would say, so it fits me. It's fine. It's turning to slime, but it's way too sticky. I'm a slime expert. I make slime off camera all the time. Just not with borax because I know it sucks sometimes. And I make it with a noob sometimes called Ronnie. Yeah. You guys never seen him in one of my videos. Actually, yeah, you have. I think it was trampoline. And, yeah, that's him. He's a noob at making slime. He says he makes it all the time.